Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management, Fall River, and we are looking at 1893 Acushnet Ave, Unit 1E, located in New Bedford, Massachusetts. This is a first floor, one bedroom apartment located in New Bedford, Massachusetts. This unit has hardwood and tile floor throughout the unit. Here we are in the main room here. This unit has freshly painted walls. You can see the sliding door here that opens up to a storage area, kind of like a double closet, as you can see. Moving back out, we have the first bedroom straight ahead. Hardwood floor in this unit, in this room as well. You have the heating ducts on the floor. Closet. The room is large enough to fit a full-size mattress, nothing larger. Going around the corner here, we're going to move on to the kitchen area. You can see it's a cozy little kitchen corner here. Gas stove top, stainless steel sink, tile countertop, adequate cabinet space as well. And opposite to the sink and stove, we have the fridge here. And around the corner of the kitchen, we have the bathroom. The bathroom does have tile floor and tile walls, as you can see. Full-size tub and shower. This unit is perfect for couples or a single person living on their own. And this unit is managed by Nexus Property Management, so you do have the benefits such as paying rent online and access to a 24-hour service number for all your maintenance and repair needs. Again, this is 1893 Acushnet Ave, Unit 1NE in New Bedford, Massachusetts.